Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your pathway: express entry, provincial nominee, family sponsorship, or a permit. Gather core documents now: passport, birth certificate, police records, language scores, ECA. Create your IRC account with a GC key and start digital copies. This speeds submission. If you're already in Canada, apply for a SIN and link proof of status. Once done, budget for fees in $CAD and prepare certified translations. Doing these first removes bottlenecks and lets you file without delay. Now you take the tests and finalize supporting evidence. Book and complete IELTS or CELPIP and obtain the required CLB level. Send results to IRC. Apply for an educational credential assessment to validate foreign degrees, then calculate your CRS and look for ways to raise it: job offers, provincial nomination, or spouse points. Schedule your medical exam and biometrics promptly because processing waits for them. Make sure to track expiry dates. Documents older than IRC limits must be renewed before submission. You submit the final application online, double-check every field, upload certified documents, and pay required fees. When you receive an invitation to apply or provincial nomination, accept it immediately and follow payment steps. Delays can void offers. After submission, monitor your IRC account daily and respond fast to any requests for information or medical updates. If you face refusal or excessive delays, review the refusal letter. File a request for reconsideration or judicial review if
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.